Well, we have 3 tornado warnings out in the country right now. Maybe 4 now.
Please stand by. An important message will follow. Here is flash flood bulletin for the following counties in West Virginia: Cabell, Mason and Putnam, and Greenup, Kentucky, and the following counties in Ohio: Gallia and Lawrence. The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for Central Greenup County, Southern Gallia County in southeastern Ohio, Lawrence County in southeastern Ohio, northwestern Putnam County, Mason County, northeastern Cabell County, until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:20,
I want to know what they're going to do with that tornado warning.
Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Radar indicated up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Ashland, Ironton, Gallipolis, Winfield, Cold Grove, Lake Vesuvius, Hurricane, Milton, Eleanor, Buffalo, Greenup, Green Bull Lake, Letitia, Tays Valley, Franklin Furnace, Flatwoods, Russell, Vernon, and Waterloo. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering.
What's flash flood warning? I want to know.
Flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report high water to the National Weather
I want to see if they
Service
send
by
in West
calling
Virginia.
800-400-195-35 when you can do so safely. You may also report high water by posting your report to the Charleston, West Virginia National Weather Service Facebook page or by using the Twitter hashtag NWSRLX.
Oh yeah. My National Service off the CHS.
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.